Welcome back to another Empties video, and this Empties video is Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar General, places like that, and there'll be a separate video linked in the description box for the DollarTree Empties, and let's get started. So I always like to start with wipes. So I got these Modessa wipes, the chamomile scented ones from Family Dollar. There's 25 count for $1. And I like these wipes. They were saturated. I actually really love the smell. They removed my makeup and they were good for like on the table for swatches and things like that. So I would definitely repurchase these, especially for the scent. I have Walmart wipes like always. I have 3 shea butter wipes. And like I've stated before, I have one in my purse. I keep them in the bathroom. I use them for Connor. So I always have a ton of those. I usually buy them in the 3-packs. And I have a Pure and Gentle makeup remover wipes. These are 97 cents at Walmart. 30 wipes. They smell amazing. They're so soft and saturated. You would not believe these were just under $1 basically. And you need to try them. You need to try them. They're right there with the makeup wipes in the skincare area. Definitely check those out. Pure and Gentle. You won't regret it, and you probably won't want to buy any more wipes after that. Next, I have the Equate Beauty Nighttime Soothing Wipes, 40 wipes. I know that I've got these in the past, and I quit repurchasing them. I do like the scent. They are super saturated. You get 40, but they're like $3.50, I believe. And I wondered to myself, why did I stop purchasing them? And I'd forgot that you cannot use these around your eyes. So it clearly says you can use them to remove waterproof makeup. But honestly, they do a great job at removing your makeup, don't get me wrong. But oh my goodness, your eyes will sting. The scent is kind of strong. And yes, yeah, I'm not going to get these anymore for makeup removal. Maybe just to quickly wipe my face off before bedtime. This is from the Dollar General, but you can find this brand at DollarTree. It's the Soft Whisper brand by Power Stick. Now, this is an 18 fluid ounce shower gel. They come in lots of different scents, especially at Dollar General. Very moisturizing on the skin. They say they're comparable to Bath & Body Works, which I absolutely believe. And this was Country Apple. I love this scent. It was so nice, and it actually went with my Bath & Body Works Country Apple. I had about half of this bottle left. There's still a little in there, and this is a discontinued scent, but boy does it smell so good. It used to be one of my favorites when I was growing up as well. And I also had the body spray too, but I have a little smidge left in it, so it'll be in the next Empties. But yes, the scent is awesome on that Bath & Body Works. Now, a body spray I used up is from Body Fantasies, and it's in Twilight Mist. It's one of my favorite ones. I picked this up around Christmas time, 2017, I believe, and it just had been sitting in my perfumes, about half full. I decided to go ahead and work on using it up, and it's one of my favorite scents from them, Twilight Mist. I'm going to go ahead and jump into candles, but I have this from Dollar General, True Living Twilight Forest. This is an 18 fluid ounce candle. These are the $5 candles from Dollar General. As you can tell, I just finished this one up last night. It burnt phenomenal. The scent is there. It did fill kitchen, living room, which is typically what I'd like to see from a candle. Paired with some of my woodsy scent waxes, this was combination. And yeah, I will definitely repurchase that scent. Also from Dollar General, I picked up this 3-ounce candle back around Christmas, and it's an iced gingerbread. Nice scent, burnt really nice, but it didn't have like a huge throw. It was kind of faint. Then 2 candles from the Family Dollar. I have an Entenmann's Lemon Mound Cake, and it burnt really nicely. I just wanted to keep the box. The candle's in there too. It did burn nicely, you can see. And the scent was faint. I had higher hopes for this, but you know, I probably in the future would repurchase it anyways because I love lemon for the kitchen. Also, this is a... Oh, no. Let's backtrack on this. Actually, this candle, the next one, the Pillsbury candle, actually came from Dollar General as well. I forgot. I thought I got it at Family Dollar. And apple cinnamon pie. Once again, the candle did burn very nicely all the way down the whole jar, but the scent was very faint and almost non-existent. Smells great in the packaging though. Walmart candles. 3-ounce jar here, the mulled cider from Mainstays, one of my favorite all-time favorite scents, you guys. This is amazing. It's very strong, very fall. Okay, so if I can get this in Candle the Waxes, whatever I can get this mulled cider scent in, I always grab it. I love it so very much. I have a 3-wick candle from them as well, and it's called Country Holiday. And this was 14 ounces. This was $4 or $5. I cannot remember. Anyways, these remind me of Bath and Body Works candles. Burned very nicely. The scent was there. They also had a wax to match. So it just was so nice. And I burnt it around Christmas. Most of you know, I live in the country. I live in Kentucky. And Country Holiday, I don't know, it just spoke to me. Plus the scent was there. So nice. From Sensationals, I have the Love Letters. This was a couple years ago for a limited edition, but just a nice perfumey kind of scent. It was in like a mauve color too, so do recommend that. It's a cedar wood, vanilla, and almond, but it made for like a really nice perfume kind of scent. So nice. And from Mainstays, I have that Country Holiday Wax. Light blue. So nice. Better Homes and Garden Holiday Edition. Cookies for Santa. I'm burning this one right now. Just a nice bakery scent. It's actually really nice. Salted Caramel Pumpkin. Another couple-year-old one, but I hung on this one because I loved it so very much. Salted Caramel Pumpkin. And, oh man, if you like pumpkin and caramel kind of bakery kind of scents, you'd probably really love that one. Pure White Woods. Repurchased this one so many times if you like woodsy scents. Probably definitely really love this one. Very nice cologne, manly kind of scent, actually. Beauty kind of care items. I did have a hand sanitizer. I meant to show that earlier. This is Kung Fu Panda, 2 ounces from Dollar General. Just to carry on your bag for your kids. You know, makes it fun for them. Cleans their hands. What's not to love there? I do have a face mask from Garnier Skin Active. This was a nice face mask, very moisturizing, smelled good. But for $2.50, when I can find face masks for $1 each, I don't think I'll be repurchasing them just on price alone. But this was a really good mask though, but just overpriced, I feel. I have a lip balm from LA Colors, and Connor was using this, so it's just had the lick. And that was like 50 cents. I also have this Nail-Aid Collagen Maximum Builder. This I was using to replace my Super Greens from Pro FX. I really liked it. It is kind of like that. It's like a nail builder, like it says, and a hardener in one. So I used it as the treatment before my base coat, if that makes sense. So yeah, maybe in the future I will repurchase this, but right now I found my Pro FX Super Greens again, so yeah, maybe using that. I have from AOA Studio, this is from Shop Miss A. This is their Scarlet Style Lashes. I've used these about 4 times, and they're not really cleaning up as well as you would expect. And there's the glue stuck in them and stuff, so I feel like it's just time to toss them. I will be repurchasing these. They're very lightweight and easy to use. And what's not to love about a nice pair of eyelashes that don't look plastic for $1? So yeah, I really like them. I also have for nail polishes the NYC Strip Me Off Base Coat. This is supposed to be a peel off base coat. I was using this as a cuticle guard as well. It does not work very well. I guess mine's just owed probably, but it doesn't work very well as a peel off base coat, I will say. And it's very thick and goopy right now. So it's time to toss this boy. And then it did do a good cuticle cleanup area for a cuticle guard. So, but I don't think they make it anymore. So I'm not sure. I have my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. This is Volume Express. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot talk any more hype about this product. I love this mascara. Yeah, I recently repurchased another one. Brush looks like that, really big brush. The volume this mascara gives you is ridiculous. And I like the length too, and it's just there. But if you don't really not a fan of like spider lashes to some extent, you probably won't be a fan of that mascara, but I just like it. Last makeup item I have is the Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer from Maybelline, from CoverGirl. I took the cap out of there so I could get as much product out as I possibly can, because I love this. I've repurchased this about 3 times, and it's my go-to concealer. I love it. I use it all the time, cut creases, and it kills me to see all that product actually left right there. But I've been using on this for a while, and yeah, I have another concealer I'm using. Hope you guys enjoyed the Empties, the mini reviews. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already, you guys. Check the description box for additional links. And thank you always for watching.